Come on, we need attention. Come here. The only way to hug your cattle. She's so laid back, she don't care. Come on, girls. Just earlier, might be okay, but come on. Man, like I said, even holding the bucket would actually be beneficial right now.
Yep.
Come on. Let's go.
That's right. You've just been bamboozled. Roxy. Roxy. It's burning.
Exhaust. It's that corn.
Oh. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Come on.
We'll have that fashion mode off in about 6 hours.
Yep.
Come on. Come on, girls. Come on.
Come
Come on, babe. Oh, it's a bucket.
Come on. Come on.
Here. Get him in there.
Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Sail. So we got the cows of Dad's all moved out, and I'm looking at this barn here and trying to figure out ways that I can get the cattle in here more cover for the winter, because it's been one of my concerns. People have always asked us, why don't we, you know, repair this barn and take it back to decent state. Thing is that it would take a lot of money to do so. Probably more money than it would to build new. Just with the foundation work that needs to be done on it is just, I don't really know if there's any worth saving to it. But having a shed or something there the cows could use for cover to get out of the wind would be nice. I was trying to figure out if I could put up some boards down the lower part of it, but I don't think that's doable, at least without making it a huge undertaking, which might still have to be done. I don't know. But anyway, at least we got Dad's cows moved down to Travis's place where it won't be so hard keeping all of them fed because they're a little bit more separated and spread out. So with that, I'll let you all go. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all how farms work. And with that, I'll see you next time.